In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable DRM on Google Chrome, step by step, so you can make sure protected videos and streaming content play properly in your browser. This is a quick but important setting to know about if you ever run into playback issues on websites that require protected content. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three vertical dots. This is the main menu where you can access Chrome settings. From the menu, click Settings. That will take you to the Chrome settings page. On the left-hand side, click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls related to browsing safety, site permissions, and content settings. Next, click Site Settings. This is where Chrome lets you manage permissions for websites, including media, pop-ups, location, and protected content. Scroll down until you find additional content settings, then click to expand it. Inside this area, look for Protected Content IDs. This is the setting that controls whether websites are allowed to play protected media content in Chrome. Click Protected Content IDs, and then choose Sites can play protected content. This is the option that enables DRM support for supported websites. Once you select it, Chrome will be allowed to use protected content IDs when needed for streaming or media playback. Now there's one more important step to confirm everything is up to date. Type Chrome//components into your address bar and press Enter. This opens Chrome's internal components page, where you can check browser components that handle things like media playback and security. On this page, look for Widevine Content Decryption Module. Widevine is the DRM component that Chrome uses for protected video playback on many websites. Make sure it is updated to the latest version. If you see an update option, or the version looks old, refresh or update it, so Chrome can use the newest DRM files available. After that, restart Chrome if needed, and then go back to the website you were trying to use. In most cases, enabling protected content and confirming Widevine is updated will fix DRM-related playback issues. And that's it. You've now enabled DRM on Google Chrome and checked the Widevine component to make sure it's current. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful Chrome and browser tips, and I'll see you in the next one.